Welcome to Fishbone Off-Road's Instructional for the front and rear fender removal of Jeep's 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Starting with the front, Step 1. With an 8mm socket, remove the 2 hex bolts behind the fender lights, followed by the 2 attached to the upper panel with a 10mm socket. Step 2. With a clip remover tool, carefully remove all 8 clips retaining the inner fender. Step 3. With a pick or small screwdriver, press in the center of the rivet clips. And remove them using a clip remover tool. Remove the inner fender. Step 4. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 hex bolts just behind the fender light. Follow the light power line and disconnect it from the vehicle. Step 5. Using a clip remover tool and needle nose pliers, pinch the white Y clips and pry them loose, releasing the fender. Remove the fender. Optional Step 6. To remove the fender lights, follow the power line with a clip remover tool and remove all the retaining clips. With a T30 Torx bit, remove the 3 light retaining bolts and remove the bracket. With a T25 and T27 Torx bit, remove the 5 bolts securing the light to the fender. Carefully pull the lights away. Repeat on the opposite side and move on to the rear fender. Step 7. Using a pick or a small screwdriver, push in and remove the 9 rivet clips. With an 8mm socket, remove the 3 inner fender retaining bolts. With a body clip remover tool, remove the body clips around the inner rim and remove the inner fender. With a pair of needle nose pliers, pinch the back of the white Y clips securing the outer fender. Carefully remove it and repeat on the opposite side. Make sure all your hardware is accounted for and you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Fishbone Off-Road for more instructions and tutorials like this.